Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. So today we will discuss the summary of kingdom Animalia. First phylum is phylum Porifera. Porifera include porous body animals, or you can say pore bearing animals, because in their body the pores are present and that pores are called ostia. Calcium carbonate and silica skeleton. They are asymmetrical body, means they doesn't have any body shape. The larva of phylum Porifera is called amphiblastular larva, and they have diffused cellular organization. They lack tissue or organ or any other level of organization. So tissue level of organization इनमें नहीं होती है, तभी पोरीफेरा को पैराजोआ में इंक्लूड किया जाता है. And the body cavity of Porifera is called spongiosele. Next phylum is phylum Cnidaria. Phylum Cnidaria include radially symmetrical animals. The body cavity of cnidarians is called coelentron. They have cnidoblast, that is a defensive cells in their body. They are diploblastic animals. Diploblastic means they have two layers. Outer is called ectoderm, inner is called endoderm, and middle non-cellular layer, that is called mesoglea. The larva of cnidaria is called planula larva. Morphologically, they are divided into two zooids, medusa umbrella-like, and polyps rod-shaped. Next is phylum number 3 phylum, phylum Platyhelminthes. They are commonly known as flatworms because their body is dorsalo-ventrally flattened. They are totally parasitic animal, flat or ribbon shaped. The excretory organ is called protonephridia, or you can say flame cells. They are acoelomate. Acoelomate का क्या मतलब है? Absence of body cavity. It is the first phylum containing triploblastic animal. इससे पहले हमारे पास जो नाइडेरिया था वो डिप्लो था, ये ट्रिप्लो है, मींस इसके पास 3 लेयर्स होती हैं. Outer is called ectoderm, inner is called endoderm, and middle is called mesoderm. They are usually hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite का मतलब है ये जो है वो बाइसेक्सुअल है, एक ही बॉडी के अंदर दोनों सेक्सेस मौजूद है, यानी कि टेस्टिस भी मौजूद हैं और ओवरीज भी मौजूद हैं. प्लेनेरिया इज ओनली फ्री लिविंग मेंबर. इसमें सारे के सारे पैरासाइटिक हैं, लेकिन प्लेनेरिया की जो एग्जांपल आती है वो एक ऐसा प्लेटीहेलमिंथस है दैट इज अ फ्री लिविंग मेंबर. दे आर हाईली फर्टिलिटी रेट, मींस वो रिप्रोडक्शन बहुत जल्दी करता है, फास्टर रिप्रोडक्शन कर. दे आर बायलेटरली सिमेट्री. फाइलम नंबर 4 फाइलम एसेलमिंथस, और इसका पुराना नाम है फाइलम नीमाटोडा, और कॉमनली नोन एज दे आर राउंड वॉर्म्स. Phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Nematoda is totally parasitic, include 50 human parasite. That it is totally parasitic, phylum. They are bilateral symmetry with cylindrical body. It has 2 opening, mouth as well as anus, or you can say their digestive system is tube-like digestive system. They are pseudocoelomates. Pseudo matlab they have false body cavity. The common disease that caused by Asalminthus is Ascaris, filariasis, जिसे elephantiasis भी कहते हैं, and hookworm infection. Next is phylum Annelida, that are called segmented worms. They are basically metameres, or you can say they are metamerically segmented body. Metamerically means they are externally segmentation, or septia. सेप्टी मीन्स दे आर इंटरनल सेगमेंटेशन. ऊपर से भी लाइंस अगर सेगमेंट्स है, पोर्शंस है, और अंदर से भी लाइंस है. दे हैव लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गन दैट इज कॉल्ड सीटी और चीटी. डाइजेस्टिव, excretory, nervous and reproductive system is very well developed. Respiration through diffusion, or you can say through a body cavity, through skin. They respiration show करते हैं. Blood is red, means they have hemoglobin with closed type of circulatory system. Closed type means the blood flow in a blood vessel. That's why they are called closed type circulatory system. Locomotory organelle की बेस पे इसको 3 क्लासेस में डिवाइड किया गया है. क्लास पॉलीकीटा, क्लास ओलिगोकीटा एंड क्लास हाइरोडीना. पॉलीकीटा में सीटी विद पैरापोडिया. Sexes are separate. Example Sabila, that is a scientific name of peacock worm, and Nereis. Commonly Nereis को clam worm कहते हैं. Next oligokita, CT without parapodia. Ferritima, example Ferritima postuma, ये scientific name है earthworm का. Next class Hyrudina, leeches जिसमें आते हैं. They are free living ecto or endoparasite, contain enzymes hyaluron which prevent blood clotting. That's why इस hyaluron की वजह से इसे hyaluronide कहते हैं. Next, phylum number 6, phylum mollusca. Phylum mollusca, soft-bodied animals. That is the second largest phylum of in kingdom Animalia. Largest invertebrate is gram squid. External hard covering calcium carbonate shell, जो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का बना होता है, बिकॉज इनकी बॉडी बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है. A grinding structure, radula is present in the buccal cavity, and radula is basically a tongue-like structure. Thin membranous covering of the body is called mantle. तो बॉडी पहले मेंटल से कवर्ड होती है और उसके बाद शेल मौजूद होता है. Respiration take place through gills and locomotory organs. इसके पास muscular foot मौजूद है. And the larva of mollusca is called trochophore larva. It is divided into 3 classes. Number 1 class, gastropoda. Gastropoda show a phenomena torsion is present in which the animal body rotate at the angle of 180 degree. Animal अपनी पूरी जो visceral mass है उसको 180 पे rotate करता है. That phenomena is called torsion. Example, Pila. Bivalvia is the second largest class of mollusca. Shell consists of 2 parts and attached with each other by hinge joint. Common example of bivalvia include Unio, Mytilus, and pearl oysters. Class Cephalopoda. All members are marine. Locomotory organ, foot transformed into suckers which bear tentacles and arms. Example, Cephia, commonly cuttlefish कहते हैं, loligo, squids कहते हैं, and octopus, devilfish. Shell is absent in octopus. So जो मोलस्का बेसिकली होते हैं, कुछ ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म है मोलस्का के जिनमें शेल्स है आउटर बॉडी पे, कुछ में बॉडी के अंदर है, कुछ में एब्सेंट है. Okay, now number 7, phylum Arthropoda, that are called jointed legs animals. Largest phylum of kingdom Animalia, and that include 1 million species. Metamerically segmented animals. Blood filled cavity is called hemocoel is present. तो blood इनका जो flow करता है उसे cavity को कहते हैं hemocoel. Blood without hemoglobin, that's why इनका जो blood है वो white color का होता है. Respiration, क्योंकि ये आर्थ्रोपोड्स सबसे ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल इनवर्टिब्रेट्स कहा जाता है, हर तरह के हैबिटेट में मौजूद हो, चाहे वो पानी का हो, चाहे वो खुश्की का हो, या चाहे वो एयर ही क्यों ना हो. गिल्स होते हैं पानी में रहने वाले के लिए. ट्रैकिया होते हैं टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स के लिए, टेरेस्ट्रियल आर्थ्रोपोड्स के लिए. और बुक लंग्स जो एयर जिनका मीडियम होता है. Then excretory organs of arthropod is called Malpighian tubules. Nervous system is very well developed. They have compound eyes with sharp vision. They show metamorphosis. What do you mean by metamorphosis? The developmental change which transform a larva into developed adult. So there are 2 types of metamorphosis जो arthropods में देखने को मिलती है. The one is called incomplete metamorphosis. Egg nymph में convert होता है and then adult में. That example आ जाती है कॉकरोच की. जबकि complete metamorphosis में egg convert into a larva, then pupa, then adult. Example, butterfly, housefly, and mosquito. Then it also show molting or ecdysis, means वो अपनी skin को replace करते हैं और इनकी जो इनका जो skeleton है उसे आप skin कह रहे हैं, and that skeleton is exoskeleton. Covering of old exoskeleton and formation of new one is called molting or ecdysis. ये बहुत ज्यादा इनकी इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस है, जिनमें आपको 2 टर्मिनोलॉजी पता होना चाहिए, एपीकल्चर एंड सेरिकल्चर. एपीकल्चर इज द फार्मिंग ऑफ हनी बी. सेरिकल्चर इज द फार्मिंग ऑफ सिल्क वॉर्म. That include different type of classes arthropods. Number 1 class Merostomata, that includes king crab जिसका scientific name है Lamulus. Class Arachnida, spider like. Group of spiders and scorpions. Respiration take place through book lungs and they have 4 pairs of walking legs. Then class Crustacea include prawns, shrimps, lobster, and crabs. 2 pairs of antenna, 1 pair of mandible, and 2 pair of maxilla. Exoskeleton, a large plate of carapace. And Seculina is the parasitic member. Seculina is also the scientific name that belong to class Crustacea of phylum Arthropoda. Then class Myriapoda, class of millipedes and centipedes जिसके बहुत सारे arms होते हैं, and body is divided into similar multiple segments. Then class Insecta or Hexapoda. Hexa means six legs. It is the largest class of phylum Arthropoda. 8,50,000 members are included. The study of insects is called entomology. It have 3 pairs of walking legs. 6 हो जाते हैं pairs मिला के. That include Pteropodota and Aetyrogota. Tyro means insect with wings and Aetyrogota means insect without wings. It includes many social insects like ants, termites, and honeybees. Then the phylum Echinodermata, animals with spiny skin. They are exclusively marine animal. Exclusively means they are present only in marine water. सिर्फ खारे पानी में मौजूद हैं. They show radially symmetrical in adult. ये बात याद रखनी, larva में they show bilateral symmetrical. They have pentamerous body. Penta means 5 arms. They have water vascular system. Water vascular system is present in echinoderms. Locomotor organs are tube feet, the external opening of the water vascular system. The exoskeleton of echinoderms is made up of calcareous plates in the form of spines. They have a very high power of regeneration. Regeneration means the ability to repair its lost part. The phylum Echinoderms, hemichordates and chordates possess common ancestor. इन्हीं को कहा जाता है कि ये ancestors हैं vertebrates की. They have bipinnaria larva, and the common example of phylum Echinoderms include sea star, starfish, brittle star, sea dollars, sea urchins, and sea cucumbers. Okay students, so ये जो था वो invertebrates का हमने cover किया है. इसमें इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे वर्टिब्रेट्स का. तो जिन ने लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ वो काइंडली इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, शेयर कर दें एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दें. थैंक यू सो मच.